Just tell him it's chicken chasseur and just stop wasting time and give you the treat. Okay, here's the treat. Chicken chasseur. Okie dokie. We are going to start off with frying our chicken for this chicken chasseur. We do it skin side down. Do it for about 5 minutes to start off with. Here we go. And I've got a piece of chicken that's still got the wing on it. That'll make the chicken that much more tastier, juicier. It's going to make it a bit juicier. Oh yes. Give that another 5 minutes on that side. She has not taken her eye off the chicken. She's laser focused. Let's check these. Yeah, looking good. Let's pop them on a plate. Now we'll start cooking up our onions. We cook these for about 5 minutes until they kind of get translucent, but hopefully not too much colour. I've got some potatoes boiling over there because we're going to have mashes with this. But I'm just going to add my garlic in here now. And then I'm going to add my mushrooms as well. And we're going to fry these for about 5 minutes. I've been growing French beans, and I've been growing carrots in the garden. So we're going to serve that with mashes and this. I think it'd be a winner. Now I am going to put in my red wine. Just bring the heat up just a little bit. Okay, I'm going to put a half tin of chopped tomatoes in there now. Got a couple of sticks of rosemary. I'm going to stick them in there. Now I'm going to put in my chicken stock. I'm going to add my chicken in there. Cover that. I'm going to let that simmer away for about an hour. See you in about an hour. That's darn good. What is it? An Australian Primitivo. Give it a go. Welcome back, folks. It is 1 hour later. Grab our chicken. Put it to one side. And then boil this down real quick until it becomes nice and thick and sticky. Okay, so I've reduced that down, and it's took me about 10 minutes, but it's looking really good and really thick. So I'm going to take the heat off. I'm just going to go put my chicken back in again just for a couple of minutes, and then it'll be time to plate up.